Hey everybody, what's going on? My name's Trent Sowers with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to look at a beautiful 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab in a beautiful Victory Red here. This is going to offer the 4.3-liter EcoTec V6 engine. As you can see, it does have oversized tires, premium chrome wheel there. So I'm going to walk around the vehicle and show you some of the advantages and features of this vehicle here. Obviously in the front here, you're going to have your high intensity halogen headlights here, nice chrome grille, black chrome grille insert. There's your gold bow tie right there. Okay, you are going to have tow hooks integrated into the lower bumper. Let's go around to these wheels and tires here, guys. So like I said, larger tire with a nice chrome wheel, like new tires all the way around. As always here at All Things Automotive, we'll get into the tire depth here in just a second. This is the perfect truck if you don't haul any passengers. Perfect work truck. Go to the job site, or if you're just on side projects, this is a truck for you here, guys. And the 4.3-liter V6 is going to offer enough power for this truck, and it's going to be more fuel efficient than the 5.3. So let's take a look inside here, guys. On the door card here, you have some nice leather with some stitching, okay, and then you have your two-tone here, gray and black, chrome door handle, and then powered mirrors and powered locks on here with some storage. As you can see, premium cloth interior all the way around. It does have the middle bench seat here, and you do have storage if you need it. It'll fold down just like that. So let's take a look at the Carfax here, guys. 15 Silverado. Okay, it does have an accident reporter, and there were 4 previous owners, so let's get into it. We are upfront and transparent here at All Things Automotive. So let's take a look. Looks like there was an accident reported here involved with a side swipe collision. Okay. Doesn't specify if it was minor to moderate, but if it was too bad, we would not be showing you this vehicle. We would not be putting it on our lot. This vehicle has been inspected by our professional service staff here at All Things Automotive, and everything is good to go. Let me just make sure. Let's see when that happened. That happened in 21. Okay. Everything has been repaired. So let's take a look at tire depth here. 15-30 seconds. Brake pads are good to go, along with a fresh oil change, PA state inspection, new brake pads, new cabin air filter, and a top-to-bottom detail just for you. And you do have the books, as you can see. Nice clean interior here. It does have a standard bed on it, 6.5 foot bed. Okay, so you don't have to worry about a short bed. And it is hooked up to tow, ready to go. There's your 7 and 4 pin wire in there. Looks like there's some dust in there. Sorry about that. But there's your receiver right there. Spare tire underneath. Looks like you have a nice spray-in bed liner. There's your Rhino lining badge right there. Expert Rhino linings. Working our way up the driver's side here, guys. There's your fuel tank. Let's take a look inside. On the driver door here, as you can see, you have your mirror adjustments, powered door locks, and powered windows. You do have manual seat adjustment here. Working our way up here, you do have a brightness and dimming control for your center cluster, as you can see. And then there's your lamp selector. Alright guys, before we hop in here, we're going to take a look at the key fob. You will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. Nice construction from Chevrolet on this style of key fob. You have your lock and unlock, and then you actually have a remote start, so that's very nice for the LS trim. So let's hop up inside. It's a nice ride. As you can see, it's a little rainy out here today at the dealership. Let's let everything come on here. I'm going to turn this brightness all the way up. Boom. Okay, just under 56,000 miles, 55,823. And obviously here's your wipers to the left stem here. You have your lamp selectors here. There's your gear shift with your manual up and down right there. Okay, and you do have cruise control on the steering wheel, which is really nice. And it is equipped with a backup camera as well. There's your radio and media buttons. Looks like you have a CD player down below. And here's your climate control. Working our way down, you can see traction control and then cargo lamp. And then you do have your four-wheel drive selector on the floor. So this is the work truck series. It does have the vinyl flooring. So it's going to be a perfect work truck, or if you're looking for a truck to do side projects with around the house, this is the perfect truck for you. Easy cleanup with the vinyl floor. Storage for your sunglasses right here. bright LED map lights. Let's take a look. No vanity on there. Don't worry, you're still beautiful. But guess what? Passenger gets a vanity. Like I said before, it does have the optional bench seat right here, or you could fold it down for extra storage right here. Cup holders, deep storage down there, and that just folds back up if you don't need it. Headliner is free of any rip stains, tears, or anything like that. I don't smell any odors, so it's a nice smoke-free truck here. Super clean, ready to go. Let's take a look at the 4.3 liter V6 engine here, guys. Hood release is going to be located bottom, slight left to the steering wheel. Looks like it does have a nice little leveling kit on it. It's not too high, but it's pretty much the perfect height for my preference. As you can see, nice clean engine bay, free of any exhaust oil leaks or anything like that. Nice sounding V6 engine here. Again, you're going to have just enough power to do what you need to do. Save fuel at the same time. Just a nice aggressive looking front end. I really enjoy the body style change after 14. And this 15 body style does not disappoint here, guys. So I'm going to shut off the truck here. We're going to go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may find on this vehicle here today. We'll start in the front here. Check out if it has any stone chips here on the front of the hood here. As you can see, normal wear and tear. Looks like a touch-up spot right there. There we go. Okay, some blemishes on the hood. It's not perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Okay, no discoloration on the chrome trim, bow tie. Bottom bumper, looks like there's a blemish here with a small dent and a dent here. Now on the body, I would say that we would repair it upon purchasing, but there's not a lot you can do with these steel bumpers here, guys. Other than that, pretty good shape. Doesn't look like they used the tow hooks at all. Bottom bumper fascia looks good. All the way to the wheel and tire here. No curb rash on the wheel. Nice thick, looks like an Encounter brand tire here. What did I say, 30 seconds all the way around. So a lot of meat left on those tires all the way down to the rockers here. As you can see, slight blemishes, normal wear and tear there. Other than that, no issues. Okay. Do have some paint chipping off on the back of the cab corner there. And we're working our way down the passenger side bedside here. Normal wear and tear, cargo going in and out of the bed. On the top trim pieces here. Back bumper. Everything looks good back here, guys. No dents or dings on the back bumper. Tailgate looks good. Now these will be repaired by our paintless dent repair specialist right here, if you could see. So those will be repaired before you purchase the truck. And up the driver's side here by the cab corner, you can see a blemish. So it looks like it might have been used as a work truck. Other than that, it's a very clean truck here, guys. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. Get yourself pre-approved, guys. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this vehicle does qualify. Or come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Come out and take a test drive on this tough truck. All right, again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you and have a beautiful day.